C&J Electrical Services LLC is a full electrical contractor company that provides services to commercial industries and government federal agencies. We pride ourselves on time and project management, from planning phases to the execution of each project, under personal supervision from Curtis K. Richardson, president and founder, who himself is a master electrician with over 25 years of experience in the electrical field. We build our reputation on our commitment to valued excellence, the quality of our staff, and the cost-effectiveness of our solutions. We are experienced, responsive, competitive, and on schedule. These affirmations translate into valued excellence and trust over several years of service. With this hands-on approach, attention to detail, and commitment to our customers' needs, we have a reputation for quality services that keeps our clients constantly coming back.